sure. Be confident. Be confident. Have goals. Success. Focus on the present. Power. Prosperity. Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
I've come back today again. Today, I've come back again. You know me. My name is Obuslala. Breakthrough Talk. That's all I do. Breakthrough Talk. If you want to know anything about Breakthrough Talk, connect to me. Every day, I begin to share light in everything that I need to do so that me, you, and I can move to the next level. Because this earth, if you don't know what you are doing, you cannot go to the next level. This earth you are, if you don't know what you are doing, you cannot go to the next level. I said this earth you are, if you don't know what you are doing, you cannot go to the next level. And today, I'm talking of the power, talking on a subject title, the power of who you are. Today, I'm talking of a subject, the title, the power of who you are. So until you know who you are on this earth, my guy, you are not going anywhere. So you have to sit down and relax. Let me come back and tell you, do you know the secret of the power of who you are?
Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
Welcome back. Listen to me. There are three things you need to know about your life every day. I said there are three things you need to know about your life every day. I said there are three things you need to know about your life every day. I said there are three things you need to know about your life every day. The first one you need to know is the power of your value. The power of your value. Every day of your life, you got to know the power of your value if you want to live on this earth and be free of any negativities. Because, my guy, negativity is a bad spirit. Everything has a spirit, and until you know the value of why you are living on earth every day, guy, things will not be happening the way it's supposed to happen. I said things will not be happening the way it's supposed to happen. Today, let me tell you one thing I know about the power of your value. Yesterday, I was jogging. I met a boy, and he said, "Okpo, I don't know where they get that name from. They just titled me with one kind of name, Okpo." I say it's plenty. You understand? So I don't even understand what's going on. And I said, "I've met you before." He said, "Yes." I said, He said, "He want to take picture with me, but he doesn't know his value." So he was trying to hide his phone to take picture with me. I said, "Come and take picture if you want to take picture." So he was happy and he was taking the picture. And I said, "But I give you my number the other day." He said, "No." He said, "I give it to the two boys that they're with him." I said, "I give it to the two boys that are with him." He said, "Yes." I said, "So why they did not give it to you?" He said, "Ask that they did not give it to him." And I said, "Do you know the secret why they did not give it to you?" He said, "That is how people are." I said, "No. Do you know the secret why they did not give it to you? Because you lack value. They see that you have no value. You want to come in contact with me. You understand? You don't have no value. That's why they don't give you my number. So I'm giving you my number today now. Every day in your life, try to add value to your life. If you don't have value, people will not regard you. If you don't have value, people will not regard you. So every day of your life, you need to add value to everything you do. Add value. Because value will take you to a place that you can't even understand. You understand? People, I go to a party because I have value. Look at the high table. A lot of people inside the party, but nobody is in the high table. Immediately they saw me. Hey, the guy came to pick me straight to the high table. I was like, oh. A lot of people I know that they are my big brothers over there inside the party. Because I understand my value. I understand my value. You understand? So, because if you don't understand your value, you will not know the power of who you are on earth. Because I understand my value, you understand? I did not sit in the high table to watch people that they are not in the high table as if they are nobody. Because power over people is not power. Power over yourself is called power. Power over people is not power. I mean, the high table, it shows that as if there's something special about me. There's nothing special. I call the boy, say, "Come, go and call that big brother over there. Let's come and sit with me." That brother, among the people I look up to when I was young, he was doing well. But because of the power of knowledge. You understand? So everything is about power. Because I have the power of knowledge, I decided to just get into the power of value. Because if you don't add value to your life, every day you will not do anything with your life. But if you add value, you will know the purpose of why you wake up in the morning. You will know the purpose of why you are moving. You will know the purpose of why you are even standing and looking at me at this moment. All you need is value. You got to add what value to your life every day of your life. You got to what add value. I'm telling you. There's a purpose why you are looking at me now. Let me tell you something. There's a purpose why this video come into your hand. There's a purpose why this video come into your hand. Don't underrate this video. Listen to me. I'm telling you now. You have to add value to your life every day. Let me give you another one. I'm coming to let you know.
Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
You are welcome back. Let me tell you, number 2 things you need to know every day about your life is to regard the power of what your awareness. You have to know the power of your awareness. You have to know the power of your awareness. What is awareness? Awareness is everything you do that will make you feel as if like you are expert in what you do, but actually you are just aware of what you are doing. So if you understand the power of your awareness, everything will be moving. People will be looking at you as if like, what's this guy doing? You understand? So because a lot of people are doing something, you understand? So and they don't even understand what they are doing, you understand? But if you understand the power of your awareness, you understand what you are doing. And if you understand what you are doing, this life will be more meaningful to you, because a lot of people are not doing anything. And those people want to do something, they are not doing anything. Why? Because they are scared of people who are not doing anything, what they will say. People who cannot do anything, what they will say about them who can do something. Let me come again. I say a lot of people are not doing anything. They have power to do something because they have no awareness to do what they are meant to do. They are scared of people who are doing something, who are not supposed to be doing something. Let me come again. Some people want to do something, but they don't have the awareness of what they need to do. And if they don't have the awareness of what they need to do, because of what? One thing, they are scared that if they do what is in their heart that they need to do, because everything you need is awareness. Awareness of who you are will make you want to do something. And if you don't know the awareness of who you are, my brother, you fall victim to the people who don't even want to know the awareness of who they are. You want to know the awareness of who you are. That's why you are watching this video. You want to know the awareness of who you are. That's why you are watching this video. So the awareness of who you are will give you power to move beyond the surface of what people say or what people did not say. You understand? I meet a lot of people every day. I meet a lot of people every day, and they tell me they have problem. They have problem. What kind of problem they have? I call a lot of them, say, come, let's define this thing you call problem. You understand? They say, oh, I have a lot of problem and this, that. I say, you don't even understand the thing you are calling problem. You say you have a problem. Let's define the word problem. Problem is a matter or situation regarded as unwelcome. Let's define problem. Problem is what? A matter or situation regarded as unwelcome. And you say you have problem. That means you welcome what you don't supposed to welcome. The definition of problem is that you don't need to welcome a problem. Go and check definition of problem. Problem is a matter or situation regarded as unwelcome. Now you say you have a problem. That means you welcome what they say you should not welcome. You need to ask yourself, why am I calling this thing problem? Because you cannot see. So if you have awareness, you rise above that thing you call problem. You'll be laughing because that problem will not turn to opportunity. It will not turn to blessing. You need to know those things about yourself. That is called awareness. When you have those awareness, a lot of people say, with all these things you have gone through, you understand, I've gone through a lot of things. You understand? I've been in the plane got to the airport, it did not land. It did not land. Somebody was crying inside the plane. This is my first time, my first time. But the second day, I still enter plane. After 8 hours from Benin to Lagos. After 8 hours before the plane finally land, and somebody say, I will not enter again. The second day, I still take a flight from Lagos to Accra. A lot of people don't know the awareness of who they are. You understand? So until you finish that which you are on earth to do, if you know the awareness of who you are, until you finish it, nothing will happen to you. Until you finish it, nothing will happen to you. My guy, be careful. Try to know the awareness of why you are on earth. Then you understand that the power of who you are is the most important thing on earth. The power of who you are is the most important thing on earth. I say the power of who you are is the most important thing on earth. And the awareness of who you are will give you victory. I say the awareness of who you are will give you victory over everything. Then you will not see problem as problem. You see problem as opportunity. Then you say bring it on, bring it on. You understand? Because if you welcome it as problem, it become a problem. But if you welcome it as opportunity, it become a blessing. I say if you welcome it as a problem, it become a problem. But if you welcome it as opportunity, it become opportunity. It become a blessing. Let me tell you something. Everything you call problem is not a problem. It's just that you don't know the awareness of why it's there. Because problem. You understand? When you come, you are doing some certain things, you are stuck. Then you say there's a problem. Yeah, you can define that one as problem. But all the things you are calling problem, they are no problem. You understand? You don't even know what happened to you. You say you have a problem. What is called problem? Let me go and come back. I'll tell you.
Breakthrough Talk with Oguslala.
I'm back again. Like I was saying, I'm on a subject, the power of who you are. The power of who you are. And number 3 things for you to know is that every day you have to study the power outside the content of time. You hear what I'm saying? I say every day of your life, you need to study the power outside the context of time. Everybody has 24 hours to live a day. There's another power inside that 24 hours that has nothing to do with 24 hours. I say there's a power inside 24 hours that has nothing to do with 24 hours. And you have to study that power. I call that power the power outside the context of time. Power outside the context of time. And how can you access that power? You access that power by knowing your value, your awareness, and the study of the outside, the content outside the power of time. And when you know those things, every day you'll be moving as if like the world belongs to you. The world belongs to you. You understand? Because according to the word of God, he say the heaven and the heaven belongs to the Lord. The earth he has given it to the children of men. You understand? So he said the heaven and the heaven belongs to the Lord, but the earth he has given it, so you have right to march over this earth. You understand? So a lot of people today now, they don't know the secret of why they are not living very well, because they are living their life based on time alone. I have 24 hours, this, that. No, you have to study the power outside the context of time. And when you study power outside its context, how can you study it? Number one, me and you have to take disturbance out of our life. You have to take disturbance out of our life. When you take disturbance, you understand? So the present will come automatically. When you take disturbance outside your life, the content will come automatically. When you take disturbance outside the content of your life, what did I mean? You take disturbance by asking yourself that, this thing am I doing now? You understand? So who is making me doing it? What mindset am I used to do this? You begin to know that you begin to ask yourself, who is doing the thinking for you? The thinking, what you are thinking right now, who is doing the thinking? You go outside the context of time. Until you go outside the context of time, my brother, joy is impossible. Joy is impossible. So every day of your life, ask yourself, in every moment, you understand? So because everything happen, you understand? So the power be outside the context of your time. Happen every moment. The power outside the content of your time happen every moment. You have to go outside and know that what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? When you know those things, that what am I doing? You begin to see yourself that there's another power that has nothing to do with 24 hours that you have spent. So when you say you have a lot of problem, you understand? So you say you have a lot of problem. What do you know about your problem? You don't know anything about your problem because you are living in time. There's no problem outside time. There is no problem outside time. There is no problem outside time. So you have to live outside time. And how can you live outside time? You allow everything that you are going to be what? A thought. It's just a thought. You understand? So you cannot catch thoughts. You understand? You cannot catch thoughts. If you can catch thoughts, that means you have a problem. But if you cannot catch thoughts, you understand? So you distinguish yourself from the thing you call problem. You rise above it. You understand? So that means you are living outside the context of time. That is all you need. Now, let me tell you something. You see this thing I'm sharing with you, it's so powerful. I'm going to do something. I'm going to come back and give you part 2 of the power of who you are. And if I come back, I'm going to break it down so that you will know, because a lot of things I need to give, but time will not permit me now. But let me tell you something. Call your friends, invite them, let them see this video. You say, why are you doing this? Call your friends, invite them, let them see the video. When they see this video, they'll ask you, who is this person? You understand? You have to follow up. Follow up. Let me show you a lot of things you need to know, because don't let yourself fool you. Deception is a secret for you not to know the awareness of who you are. Deception is a secret for you not to know the value of who you are. Deception will make you not know that this time you are working with is a man-made time. Live outside the place that you will see everything based on the eye of what? Illusion. I'll come back next time and teach you what to go. God bless you.